Don't scroll.
Today is grooming day, and they refuse to leave her side.
Shh, it's okay. Everything is slow and gentle. She feels safe.
Did you see that little paw? So curious. Even now, her love doesn't pause. This one watches closely, learning just by staying near, right where it feels warm. The room feels softer now. Breathing slows. This is comfort. The room feels softer now. Breathing slows. This is comfort. It's finished now. They waited patiently. Together again. Eyes closing. Nothing else to do but rest. Shh.